What's up, Free World family?
So today is our last day here in Sabaneta Colombia. We are going to El Poblado tomorrow. New place, new gym, new sauna, new steam room, everything brand new. So stay tuned so you guys can check that out when we move tomorrow. We'll be showing the process of us packing up, getting out of here, getting to our next place.
It's your boy, Mr. Free World. And tonight is our final night in Sabaneta. So we're gonna take our usual walk. You know, we're taking our usual walk downtown to get some, to check out the mall and maybe get some food. You know, do the family thing per usual. So we're here, and I'm thinking about getting Asher some meat while we're down here, because it's just fresher meat and it's more convenient while we're here now. But contemplate, because we're trying to put ourselves on a budget.
We're on a weekly budget.
Oh yeah, we're putting ourselves on a weekly budget to really track how much we're spending out here. And
because we were just spending left and right when we first got here. We were just feeling everything out, so we were just literally buying whatever and not really thinking about it. So now we're thinking about it.
Yeah, so I'm fighting for my rights out here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fighting for my dog rights. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I got the medal, I got the car, you understand? I got identification, I got everything I need. I got the muzzle. They told me to go get a muzzle, I got a muzzle. We're talking about contamination. How's it contamination? They said Asher gonna contaminate the meat. Contamination comes from touching something. If anything, humans can contaminate the meat from breathing or talking over the meat. How can she contaminate the meat? Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's our last night here. It's sad, but they'll be better on the other side.
Karate or yoga? Yoga in the middle of the mall. I think upstairs is a food court. Yeah, upstairs is the food court. You want to go check it out? Elevated to the third floor where the food court is. Hopefully we find something that we like. Oh, these elevators are cool. Also here it tells you what's on the floor.
What's S3?
I don't know. Oh, parking. Smelling mad chemicals in here.
Everywhere you go.
Oh, I think that's the air freshener.
Every 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, shit. You're making my head hurt already.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Loaded fries. It does. Loaded some bullshit though.
Yeah, straight bullshit.
Oh, I see. I didn't see that. It's cool.
I take pictures of video.
I don't know how. We never really saw this before.
Explore.
Nice little way.
Explore parts that we have never seen before on our final night.
It's very chill. It's very quiet.
This is fire. Look at the bamboo.
Wow. I think we've seen these stairs, remember?
Right, I was like, where
yeah. Now we know where it goes to.
So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, you will be hearing a production from the Free World family.
Oh, what is the Zumba class
And
So we found this little world. So, you know, the Free World family had to take some pictures.
had a nice little photo shoot at the world. Go check them out on Instagram at Free World Family or at Mr. Free World. So we're going down this hill, or I should say we're going down these stairs, this ramp. We don't know where it leads to. Come on, come with us. Let's see. All right, bring us down to the street. We're gonna just take this street, walk it out. I think the meat place, the mall's right there, so we know where we're at. It was pretty cool though. About to hang on some bamboo.
But so we're gonna go home and just order food. Because because we don't want to be out much later. So I'll show you guys how we order. It's like Uber Eats, but it's called Rappi, and it's fire. They have, it's way better than Uber Eats. It has so many options, and the prices are great. And they give us free 30. The first 30 days is free delivery, so it's definitely a deal for us to just order from Rappi.
It makes a lot of sense with Rappi because we don't have to worry about doing dishes after. It's cheap. They come and knock right on the front door. We don't even have to leave. It's amazing.
Meine kleinen bags are already gonna put to bed. Car's a little bit. So I just want to show you guys what it's looking like before you pack. It feels like a lot of stuff, but we really only have one suitcase, so 2 duffel bags. So this clothes was washed today. We don't have a dryer, so we have to hang them. Everything's pretty much dry, so all this clothes are gonna get folded, put away. These are more clothes that were just done. Got some stuff in the fridge and cabinet. That was under Zaria's bed, but we put her mattress on the floor. So that we put back those pillows on the couch. This desk was by the front door. You gotta get moved back. Messy bathroom. This was Zaria's bathroom. It was really messy. We gotta put back. Pack our closet. We got some work to do. So we're in the middle of packing up. Got most of our clothes in a suitcase. No, we just have to clean up and do the rest. It feels like a lot, but whatever, we'll get it done. And we have some time in the morning. So we just got our Rappi. We got selling burritos and quesadillas. The baby went to sleep. She had her dinner. Yeah, I guess we're one of those parents that order food when their kids go to sleep. She usually has what we eat, but she was just tired early because she didn't have her second nap. So, all right, so we're leaving now on our Airbnb. We left everything pretty neat. Tried to clean up as much as we could. And we left a little messy outside because we had to rinse out Astra's eye, but it's okay. Try to do all the dishes before we left, taking out the trash.
But then Shorty came in rushing us.
Yeah, the cleaning lady is here.
Dishes to do.
Cleaning lady came in. She's feeling us putting pressure on us. She's scared of Astra though, so she's waiting outside. All right, we're ready. We're ready. This is all our stuff. We're ready.
Let's go. My t-shirt on. We out. I actually want to take one more picture. We out. We got some good news. Very excited for that because it's kind of tough around here to find an Uber driver who's gonna let Astra rock out. So, hey, we're not doing that.
So we're tagging out the Uber. That's a pretty small car. Oh, we're in these people's way.
Oh shit.
Astra's coming now. I'm gonna just put Astra in the car.
Oh, this is your friend, that's why. Hola.
Hello.
No te respondía porque estoy hablando con mi papá.
Packing out his little car. Packing out his car. His little tiny car. But most Ubers are not dog friendly, so we have to do what we gotta do.
And that's why I'm gonna bless him and thank him so much because he's heaven sent. He's heaven sent. And he might be able to know where to find the creepy at. That's my family. That's what the family love. That's the family.
Alright, Ash's blanket is there. You put the blanket down?
Yeah, but I don't want her to step in the putty.
Oh. Alright, you got one more bag.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
I don't do too much for it.
Watch Astra.
I don't.
Oh, your book bag too.
It's okay. It's gonna go inside. I don't want Astra to step in this puddle. Tell him to move up because the puddle's right here.
Porque hay charco ahí, no quiere que se...
Good girl. Good girl.
Okay, put this.
I got you.
Put your book bag there. No, put your book bag on top of the suitcase.
We good. Where you from? ¿Dónde?
De aquí, from here.
Oh, Sabaneta, yeah?
Medellín.
Oh, Medellin?
Yes.
What part?
Poblano.
Okay, okay. That's where we're going. We want to learn the areas.
Yeah.
Rachel. She's breathing hot air and all in the car. No, he got the AC on.
Where are you from? New York.
Oh,
Yeah. Me and my fiance from New York. And where'd you learn English? Not many people know English here.
because I was in New York and also I studied English all my life.
Oh, you went to New York?
In New York, in California.
I'm gonna bring this Long Island. Do you remember the town?
Just a little bit. But yeah. And my family is, they live in New Jersey.
Oh, no, okay. Well, you know what name? The name? Of New Jersey? They got Newark, Union.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
But another uncle,
So how many years you were there
yeah.
in the States? ¿Cuántos años?
But my family?
No,
Or-
¿cuántos años you were in the
Oh.
States?
¿Hace cuánto? Just first time in New Jersey, I was with my aunt, my uncle, and there's business.
Oh yeah, that's what we came for, baby. We seeing the culture. We seeing some art. It's fire. So if you have a 5 and a 0 on your license plate, you can't drive tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah.
But you say you have 2 cars.
I don't know, me no.
No, but people,
yeah.
I'm sorry,
normal.
people that have 2 cars,
Yeah.
then they could just switch and alternate.
Exactly.
Oh, so they have something out here called Piqui Placa. Piqui Placa means that all of these cars, not all of them, but certain cars are not allowed on the road.